Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 27th of November. The euro is rising across the board as the Eurogroup meeting reached an agreement on Greece. The Eurozone finance ministers consented after 13 hours of negotiations to lower the interest rates on bilateral loans to the debt-ridden nation, while interest payments due to the European Financial Stability Fund will be postponed by 10 years. Additionally, the maturity of the loans increased to 30 from 15 years. On this news, the euro recorded a monthly high at 130.08 versus the US dollar overnight. The Australian dollar is strengthening versus most of its counterparts. The same is true for the British pound ahead of the third quarter gross domestic product release. The Canadian dollar pierced through 0.9920 against the US dollar early in the EU session. This is a minor breakout, and a break and hold below 0.9910 is needed for lower lows to be recorded. The GER 30, which follows the DAX, opened 25 points higher this morning on the back of the Eurogroup agreement. The index now lies above 7335, a three-week high. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129.50. The dollar-yen pivot points at 81.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 81.90. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 104.54 with a preference to enter into long positions at 104.54. The sterling dollar pivot points is at 160 with a preference to enter into long positions at 160.10, and the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9955 with a preference to enter in short positions at 0.9955. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 87.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 87.40. The gold pivot points at 1735 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1735. The silver pivot points at 3365 with a preference to enter into long positions at 3365. The US 500 is at 1392 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1392. And the UK 100 is at 5850 with a preference to enter into short positions at 5850. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In the UK, we had the third quarter GDP forecast to expand by 1%. And in the US, we have the durable goods orders for October forecast to drop by 0.6%. The Case-Shiller 20-month on month in September forecast to rise by 0.4%. And also the consumer confidence forecast to rise to 73.1. And we have an interesting equity to watch today. The US tech, which tracks the Nasdaq, carried on its day-old rebound off the multi-month low recorded 2 weeks ago when it temporarily pierced below the 2,500 support level. The US technology equity index has risen to 2649.13, a 6% appreciation since. It still looks bullish early in the EU session today. However, minor retracements should be expected. Thank you for watching our daily outlook for the 27th of November. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.